My name is Vladimir. I'm from Kyrgyzstan. I'm 22 years old. I'm studying international trade in Taiwan University of Technology. I'm very interested in Chinese culture, and I stayed in China already for 5 years. That's why I can communicate with Chinese people very fluently. During my study in China, I've learned paper cutting, Taijiquan, which left deep impression on me.
From my friend's introduction, I learned that Chinese opera has a long history. Opera actors should not only be able to sing, but also practice the basic skills of movement, from hair to toes. Some of them are like Chinese Kung Fu in the movies. Today, I came to Shenxi Vocational College of Art and follow the teachers and students here to have a class to experience it. Today, we start to learn from the hair. This skill is called shaozigong, also known as hair work. An opera actor would tie a lock of long hair on the top of his head, called a falio, and shake it up on stage. This is not my own hair. This is a wig. It's hard to shake real hair. It's even harder to shake wigs. And the actor also has to shake the hair beautifully to show the excitement of the character. This has to be in a certain way. In the process of opera stage performance, you have to wear a costume, which is very complicated to put on. The costume I'm wearing now is called mangpao, which is the formal dress worn by the emperor and his counterparts in the play. It's often called official clothes. It is said that opera actors should have 10 basic skills. Today, I'm exhausted just after feeling one. The actors are not easy. There is a saying in China that 1 minute on stage and 10 years of stage. If you want to get started, you need to listen more, see more, and experience more, and feel the profoundness of Chinese opera.